Hello there, world. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Joe, a licensed, certified public accountant with over 10 years' experience in corporate and public accounting. I have an extensive background in accounting, audits, and taxes, and I'm all about helping you take control of your money and live smarter. Today, we're answering a really common question, especially if you've ever worked with business finances or budgeting. What is a general ledger? Now, if that sounds super boring or confusing, don't worry. We're going to break it down in simple terms, no accounting degree required. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a general ledger is, why it matters, and how it fits into the big picture of a business. Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. And check out our blog site where we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Alrighty, let's start simple. A general ledger, or GL, is just a master record of all the money going in and out of a business. Think of the general ledger, or GL, as the main notebook where a company writes down every dollar it earns, every dollar it spends, and every move that money makes. Simply put, it's the heartbeat of a business financial system. Every financial report, like income statement or balance sheet, starts here. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you run a small coffee shop. Every time someone buys a latte and you get $5, let's say, that goes into the general ledger as money in. Every time you buy coffee beans for $200, that goes in the general ledger as money out. At the end of the month, your general ledger shows all your sales, costs, rent, wages, everything. It helps to answer questions like, how much did we earn? Where did our money go? Are we making a profit? So you may be asking yourself, what's inside a general ledger? A general ledger is made up of accounts. Think of them like folders. Each folder tracks one type of thing, like sales, money in, rent, money out, salaries, supplies, bank account balances, loans. Each time something happens in the business, it's recorded in the correct folder with a date and an amount. So the general ledger isn't just like one giant list, it's organized and detailed. Now, you may have heard terms like debits and credits. So let's keep it simple. A debit just means money going into an account. A credit means money is leaving or coming from somewhere else. Now, let's take an example of what we're talking about as far as debits meaning money going into account and credits meaning money leaving or coming from an account. Let's say you as a coffee shop owner again, you buy a coffee machine for $1,000. Now, what we're gonna do is we bought it on cash. So we spent cash. So now we have our cash account, which is going to be credited for 1,000, showing that there's $1,000 coming out from our cash account. And we're going to debit our equipment machine for $1,000 because this shows that now equipment is going up because we own it for $1,000. And your debits and your credits should always equal zero. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. Now, it may be different accounts, it may be broken down a little differently, but your debits and credits will always equal zero. Because remember, debits and credits help to keep the books balanced. For every action, there's a reaction. Now, let's take a look at why does the general ledger or GL even matter. The general ledger helps businesses to know where their money is going, catch mistakes early, prep taxes correctly, make smart business decisions, and stay legally compliant. It also it's also what accountants use to create financial reports and file taxes. Without the general ledger, you're flying blind. These days, most companies do not write in a ledger by hand. They use accounting software, and I don't promote any of these, but the most common ones are QuickBooks, Xerox, FreshBooks, or large scale systems for bigger businesses. These tools handle all that math and organization, but the concept of the general ledger is the same. Even if you never touch the general ledger directly, understanding it helps you speak the language of business, which is accounting. Alrighty, let's do a quick recap. Alrighty, remember, a general ledger is a big master record of all financial activities. It tracks money in, money out, and everything in between. It is made up of organized accounts like sales, expenses, and assets. Remember, those are our folders. Debits and credits help make the system balance. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other, and your debits and credits should always equal zero. The general ledger is a foundation for all financial reports. If you understand your general ledger, you understand how business run. If this video helped clear things up, give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more simple breakdown of business and finance. And next week, we will dive into should you DIY your business accounting or not. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. And check out our blog site where we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.